Greeting guys, this is Waleed, an Arabic tutor for native speakers. If it's the first time you watch me, please subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow me via this page. So, let's get started. Today we have a new class, a new episode. We are still the Arabic course, but today we are going to make, a new conversations between two females. They are see each other at the first time. We do before the episode 1 in this playlist or in this series the conversation between two persons, but they are male and they see each other at the first time. Okay, you come back to this and then you can return and then see this. But today for females. So let's start the conversations. If you see the first time you see him or the second time only, also the first thing you have to greet him. So the greeting in Arab countries, you have to say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Or you can complete this greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And this is a greeting for two types of people, to male and to female. Anyone, okay? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And he had then to reply in your greeting the same thing. Wa alaikum assalam, folks. Wa alaikum wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This means peace be upon you. Okay? Peace be upon you or praise for you. Okay? Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you or praise for you. Then after this, if the first time you just see each other, the first thing he is going to ask him, focus, female. Ma ismuki. Ma ismuki. At the last letter here, kaf, we said this before for the males, masmuka, fatha, okay? But here, because they are females in Arab language, we have then to make or to put kasra at the end of this letter or the last letter, okay? This is referred to females. So, ma ismuki. Ma ismuki. What's your name? What's your name? Ma ismuki. So the replies would be going to be ismi Fatima. Fatima. Ismi Fatima. Ismi Fatima. My name is Fatima. And the other person or the next female, it's supposed to ask her name. وما اسمك أنت. Can you see? أنت كسرة and اسمك كسرة. أنت females, not males at the last class. No. وما اسمك أنت. She is going to reply اسمي زينب. My name is Zainab. And after this, she had then to ask her what about her or how are you, like this stuff. So how are you in Arabic language for between females, it's going to be كيف حالك. Kasra. Focus on this because this is a difference between males and females. كيف حالك. كيف حالك. كيف حالك? What about you? What about you? حال that means position, okay? But if we just then to translate this literally, it's going to be and how our position. This in Arabic language that means how are you? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? She's going to reply أنا بخير. أنا بخير. أنا بخير. والحمد لله. أنا بخير والحمد لله. I'm fine and thanks to God or thanks Allah. Okay. So the other side or the next female is going to ask the same question. وكيف حالك أنت أنت وكيف حالك أنت وكيف حالك أنت. She's going to reply وأنا. You have to put wow at the beginning of أنا, because they are going to reply in the same question. She said أنا, so replying وأنا, like and you, and I'm good too, like this. وأنا بخير والحمد لله. وأنا بخير والحمد لله. And I'm fine and thanks Allah. And this is the end of our episode today. I hope you understand from our episode. If you just understand, share this video to all your friends, and don't forget to do our like and share this video to all your friends. See you at the next class. Bye bye.